Looks a little different, huh? I like this one, but it really is just hard plastic. Harder plastic than those. But next time, I'm just gonna get the all metal ones. Oh, his toys. Cause this one, you can see it dips in a little bit. So now, all of these boxes, and these boxes, I can now put over there. Take my shit down. She's coming with more big boxes, with more boxes on Friday, thank God. Okay, it's break time. We'll finish up the crystal room tomorrow. It only has my Princess House stuff left in there. And get started on that one tomorrow. In the meantime, it's break time. I'm going to put just some tape around those and then tape it to that. Thank God this is soon to be just a memory. Yeah, see, I've been started cleaning off my dresser. Get that done before midnight. Get that, move those boxes and shit over before midnight. And in the meantime, I'm cutting paper dolls. See, you guys, for you that create junk journals, please consider making it just a little bit larger to where it fits 99% of the whole page. So now I'm going to sit and cut all these out. There's 18 pages. Yeah, maybe that's relaxing to you. That part's not relaxing to me. Oh, okay. Are you just going to stand there all day? Sit down. Oh, stop worried about where my ice cream sandwich is. Just sit down. Thank you. Good girl. You can put your ears forward. You ain't nothing you need to hear besides me smacking on my ice cream, and you're not getting none because I don't want you turning diabetic. Oh. Okay, so Tasha, you need to take a Princess House suitcase to the crystal table, pack those 5 crystal things up, and get this all done. Get that packed. And put all the wood pieces together so I could duct tape all the wood pieces. And then he can just pick it up and toss it on top of the boxes. And that's all for today, folks. Yeah. No, I never thought I would be in this situation again. Because remember when I left to Vegas, I said, next time I move, I'm just going to pay somebody to pack. There ain't shit in this little tiny town. Ain't shit. Hard to find. I found, of course, I called the mover earlier today. And other than him, they post ads that they move stuff, but they're not literally in Scottsbluff. They're in Colorado. The edge of my state is next to Colorado, about 2.5 hours from here. And boy, oh boy, oh boy. Next time you want to move to another state, please do your research. Do not be like me. Find out exactly what Medicaid, Medicare, stuff is going to cover. Because it's no fun thinking, oh, I'm going to move to Scottsbluff, Nebraska. My rent's only going to be $875. I still have plenty of money left. No. They charged me for every single doctor visit. They charged me for the doctor's equipment that he used. That's a separate charge. And it's just crazy. I just didn't think I thought, oh, I'm so Social Security, I'll be fine. I'll have it the same as California, Las Vegas. No. If I want to help her, I have to pay her $20 an hour and then eventually get reimbursed. So now I'm waiting to see what the doctor has to say. I asked her to prescribe me or whatever, tell me where to go get a shower chair. I don't have a tub anymore, remember? I don't have a tub, so I'm going to eventually get a blow-up tub. And then I can use my bubble bath. Oh well, at least the shower is big enough to fit my fat ass and my little tiny mini washing machine. Now I'm on my way over to YouTube to figure out what, I gotta go look at my sink again in the bathroom. Hookup I need to put on somewhere. Yeah, to be able to use my mini washing machine in the shower. I don't know. Just happy to be getting out of here. Happy to be getting amongst things that are clean and nice grass, close mailbox. No half this, an apartment number this, and da 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 da. Everybody has their own address. Yeah. So I'm going to sit here, eat my ice cream, listen to Judge Million, or no, Judge Maybelline. Yeah, she's back on Court TV again with Byron. She's on Byron's channel. Her, Judge Mathis, and Judge Million, and I forgot the other black lady judge. Okay, maybe she's not on there, but for sure those three are. So I just find me a playlist and cut the afternoon away. But I'm gonna get up in an hour and go tape up the round pegs that go in the bookcase. Move the boxes, pack the princess house, and clean off the dresser. And the rest can wait for tomorrow. Not too bad. Not too bad. Today is what, the 19th, and I'm going to technically start moving on the 27th. So I think I'm doing pretty damn good, don't you? Thank God for a little help from my friends. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I got to tell you, I know today of all days, you going to hear me say, boy, I feel free. Yes, I do. I know I got a lot of hoops to jump through, but you know what? At least the government hoops are specific and clear, precise. Not one day yes, one day no, one day black, one day gray, one day white. I don't know. Oh, okay, yes, yes, yes. Oh, no, no, no. Shit. Yeah. I'm going to see if she'll put me on a 2-bedroom waiting list. And then I'll be moving again to a beautiful 2-bedroom government housing. And probably just stay there because I will have made friends. I will be getting used to getting exercise as soon as I get my $400 tricycle with a motor in it. You know it got a motor, right? I might need to go up a little tiny hill. And I'll be like, Princess, you pedal. Okay, let me get to cutting. That's my therapy, you know. Cutting is my therapy. Yes, it is. Bought junk stuff to eat for the next 2 weeks. Since I'm packing all the food, I'm packing everything. So what she says we can do is take the food over, put it in the refrigerator, put it in the shelves, and then bring those boxes back and reuse those boxes for something else. I would not have thought of that because I'm used to moving one fell swoop, one time. So good to have friends. I appreciate each and every one of you.